Welcome to my online class. Dear learners, firstly, I want to express my identity. I am MD Iqbal Hussain, lecturer in English, Ziauddin School and College, Badgaon, Kishorganj. Dear learners, I hope you are fine. I am fine also. For COVID-19, you cannot take part in formal class, so you have to attend in the online class. I express gratitude to Allah firstly. After that, I express gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister and the founder of Ziauddin School and College, principal of this college, to arrange online class in our institution. Dear learners, it's HSC class, second year, English second paper. I want to teach you about change of speech, narration. Firstly, I define narration. What's narration? The speech of a speaker is called narration. Dear learners, I show poster on the whiteboard, narration or change of speech. Narration is divided into two classes, direct speech and indirect speech. Dear learners, I show an example, direct speech. He said to me, I feel sick today. Into indirect speech, he told me that he felt sick. Direct speech, he said to me, I feel sick today. If you want to change into indirect speech, you have to do 5 activities. Number 1, change of reporting verb. Change of reporting verb. Said to, told. Said to direct speech, said to indirect speech, told. Next, use of joining word. Direct speech, comma, start of inverted comma. In place of comma and start of inverted comma, you have to use that. Dear learners, next, number 2, use of joining word. Use of joining word, that. Number 3, person change of reported speech. Person change of reported speech. I change with he. Subject of reporting verb. Indirect speech, he. Indirect speech, he. Next, tense or verb change of reported speech. Number 4, tense or verb change of reported speech. Direct speech, feel. Indirect speech, felt. He told me that he felt sick. Dear learners, today change into that day. Number 5, nearest words change into distant words. Okay. Dear learners, column 1, change of reporting verb, and 2, using joining words. Follow the chart. Sentence, direct speech, indirect speech. Sentence, assertive sentence, belong to reported speech. Assertive sentence belong to inverted comma. Say to will be changed into indirect speech, tells. Says to, tells. Said to, told, said, told. That will be used as a joining word. Next, belong to interrogative sentence. belong to interrogative sentence into the direct speech. Say to will be changed into ask, says to, access, said to, asked. As a joining word you have to use if. Dear learners, when question sentence start, question word, say to will be asked, says to, access, said, and said to will be changed into asked. As a joining word you have to use question word. Question word, what, when, why, where, how, etc. Dear learners, imperative sentence belong to inverted comma imperative sentence. Reporting verb said or said to changes into ordered, advised, requested, forbade or told. As a joining word you have to use to or not to. Dear learners, let plus indirect object plus principal verb plus direct object belong to inverted comma. Said to, said or said to will be changed into suggested or proposed indirect speech. Dear learners, you have to use joining word that. Next, number 4, belong to inverted comma optative sentence. Structure may plus subject plus verb plus adjective. Dear learners, direct speech, reporting verb said or said to, you have to change wished or prayed into indirect speech. Dear learners, as a joining word you have to use that. Okay, I am hopeful that you are going to understand me. Next, number 5, exclamatory sentence belong to inverted comma. That is to say, direct speech. Reporting verb said to, change will be exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with sorrow or cried out. As a joining word you have to use that. Okay, finished my footer number 1. Look at footer 2. Dear learners, look at footer 2. I show on the whiteboard the rest of the rules about change of speech. Already I have to discuss with you 1 and 2, change of reporting verb and using joining word. Dear learners, number 3, persons change of reported speech. First person will be changed with subject of reporting verb. Direct subject, suppose he, plus reported verb plus object, comma, in start of inverted comma, I, me, my, end of the inverted comma. I, me, my will be changed into subject of reporting verb. He, I change with he in place of I, he, me in place of me, him, my change with he in place of his. Dear learners, direct speech, subject he plus reporting verb plus object, comma, inverted comma shuru is start of inverted comma, we use or our will be changed with the subject of reporting verb. Subject he, suppose he, we change with he, in place of we you have to use they. Use us, them, our, their. Dear learners, number 2, second person will be changed with object of reporting verb. Direct subject plus reporting verb plus object, suppose me, comma, inverted comma, start of the inverted comma, you subject, you object, possessive your, end of the inverted comma, change with object of reporting verb. Me, suppose me, you change with me, I, you object change with me, your possessive change with me, my. Next, number 3, third person will not be changed. He, him, his, she, her, they, them, their, will not be changed, or any kinds of naming words will not be changed. Dear learners, tense change or verb change of reported speech, opponent number 4, option number 4, direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech inverted belong to inverted comma, direct speech simple present tense, indirect speech simple past tense. Direct speech present continuous tense, indirect speech first continuous tense. Direct speech present perfect tense, indirect speech first perfect tense. Direct speech present perfect continuous tense, indirect speech first perfect continuous tense. Direct speech first indefinite tense, indirect speech first perfect tense. First continuous tense into direct speech change into indirect speech first perfect continuous tense. Dear learners, finish tense change or verb change of reported speech. Next, number 5, nearest words change into distant words. Nearest direct speech, nearest words, now, here, today, this, yesterday, tomorrow. Now will be changed into then into indirect speech. Here will be changed there, today, that day, this, that, these, those, yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day. Dear students, finish the rules of from direct to indirect speech. Though you have to write down passage narration in your examination. So firstly you have to know the rules of sentence from narration. After that you have to know the rules of passage narration. Next class I want to discuss with you the rules of passage narration. Dear student, time is very limited, so elaborate discussion is not possible now. You have to do 10 sentence direct to indirect from the book of your grammar. Goodbye. I hope welfare of all. Allah Hafiz.